Hello all, welcome to Cook with Asimi. In today's video, we are going to make condensed milk at home with just 2 ingredients and a few minutes of kitchen magic. So continue watching and enjoy the video. So you are going to need a cup of milk. You are going to add 1 cup of water to the milk. Please use warm water so that it will be easy to mix. You mix till you see no lumps in it because you don't want lumps in your condensed milk. And this is the consistency you want. Then you're going to add half cup of sugar. Please subscribe to this channel, it helps grow this channel, and like the video. Thank you so much, I really appreciate it. So you place the milk on medium heat, you continue stirring. When you notice that it has started thickening, you are going to reduce the heat to low heat so that it won't form lumps. This is what you want to get. So fun fact about condensed milk is that it was invented in the 1800s to prevent milk from getting spoiled on long trips. So you continue stirring, and when it gets to like this consistency, this thickness, you just switch it off, you bring it down from the fire and you allow it to cool for about 5 minutes to 10 minutes. You put in a plate and you can see how thick this is. I didn't like how thick it was, so I blended it. I added a bit of water and blended it, and this is the outcome. Condensed milk in just less than 10 minutes, made at home. Something about this is that you can control the sugar. You don't need to add any preservatives. Just store in a jar at home. Simple, quick and easy. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe.